What's up, folks? I'm Pie the Appocalypse Guy, and I'm here to teach you how to survive the zombie apocalypse. On this episode, we're using science. You see, these zombies became zombies because of a chlorine bomb attack by the Russians during World War V. Now, chlorine is extremely reactive with metal. So, a very simple way to stop them is to just shove some metal in them. Because now that they have a high composition of chlorine within them, they'll just die instantly. Now, I've devised a trap. We have some metal utensils here next to a plate with a granola bar. It's a well-known fact that zombies love granola bars. This trap should be irresistible. Rawr. As you can see, our trap worked to perfection, just like I said it would. Anything can be solved with science. Until next time, I'm Pie, and I'll fly.